Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get connected to your Android device and your other gadget with this MTN unlimited data cheat that is trending in Nigeria and maybe some other few countries, but it's mostly for Nigerians. So all what we need to do is to install only one app. This app, Every Proxy. So after you have connected your data, after you have connected your hotspot and is reading, after you have connected your hotspot is reading or returning to minimize, then you turn on your hotspot as it has been said. So my hotspot is on. So the password for my hotspot is let me show you everything. The password for my hotspot is M8 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's connect. So it has connected without internet, as you can see up here. So what we need to do is to enter the other app and connect with it. The other app is what we are going to implement in this place, as you can see. So the app, we enter Play Store and download it. If you don't have it, this is the app, Every Proxy. So after you have downloaded it, you press this, you turn it on. After you turn it off, you will see something here to start reading when you connect it. So let me copy this number in one safe place: 192.168.11.468080. So let me get back. So after it have shown something like this, all we need to do is to press it and press manage network. We'll press show more. We'll go here, manual. In manual, we're going to press this number that we copied. 192.168.11.46. So the second one is 8080. So this is what you are going to do. After this, you press save. It will change automatic. If you didn't change, you can off and on it back. It will connect automatic. As you can see, connecting. Let me see. Oh, I did write the password very well. One, 6. Okay, I made mistake. 192.168.11646. So let's go and input. So we'll press it again and hold manage. So you see, I didn't put my 6, right? So save. If our password is right, it's going to connect automatic. It will show you connected. So let me off it and on it again so that it will show connected automatic. Shared. Another error. Oh, I didn't put it very well. 192.168. One nine two 192.168.11. So it has already connected automatic. It has started reading number. So all we have need to do is just to go back to the other phone and the password is correct. So it has started reading. So we can do whatsoever we want with the other phone also. That's already connected. So look at the number. It's still the same thing. I didn't change anything. You press save. So you minimize. You enter anywhere you want to enter. The Facebook, it depends on your network capacity and network fastness. And it depends on your location and area. So you can see everything, you can scroll. So this is how to connect. Then subscribe for more so that I will show you how to connect it with your laptop also. See you next time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Lovely days. See you next. Try to subscribe and share and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Help me to grow the YouTube channel.